Today it's all about exhaust gas, and we have two highlights for you from this topic area. That is, over here we have our exhaust gas temperature sensors, and over here we have our RepDPF. You can find out what we do with them, what the highlights are, and what special tools we have in this video. We have a Hyundai i40 here, and we use the AUTEL MS909 to read the error codes, which revealed a fault in the engine control unit. The check engine light was illuminated on the dashboard. Now we were curious to understand what the issue was. The device showed that there is a problem with the differential pressure sensor. We checked the differential pressure sensor, which we have in our program. This means it could have been replaced, but we found that the lines from the differential pressure sensor to the diesel particulate filter are damaged. Now, if you have been paying attention, you will notice that we have two different diameters here, meaning one thick and one thin connection. Here, our RepDPF lines feature a smaller diameter alongside a larger one. And now we want to assemble this for you. So I will take the sensor now. Here we also have the pliers that fit the clamps perfectly. Let's take our clamps and put them on now. And once again for the smaller diameter. It's important to note that these are silicone lines, which means they are flexible and long-lasting. Additionally, there's a heat shield around them. Why did the lines become porous? Because they got too hot over a long period. We will improve this, of course. Here we have the smaller diameter. We will slide one line onto it. On the other side, with the larger diameter, we will do that over there. Now let's take our pliers again. We begin here and place the clamp at the front. First one, number two. Now we will just cut this to the right length, meaning we will use a set of RepDPF. This way, you could potentially repair 2 or even 3 vehicles. He is going here now. We will cut off pieces. The top is already prepared. Below the car, you can access the diesel particulate filter and attach it directly with the clamp. As you can see, you have an excellent repair solution from our RepSolutions family. Now we come to our second topic in this video, which is our exhaust temperature sensors. Here we have one of our sensors, and of course, we also have the appropriate tools. The appropriate tools are of course listed in the online catalog under accessories. This means you can check here. We have the short nut and also the long nut. It really depends on where everything is situated. As you can see here nicely, I can route the cable over the side and come directly to the nut below to loosen it. We have a vehicle here that we want to demonstrate this on. For this, we need the short nut again. That was 14. And now we also need 17 here. The 3 sizes that are part of the set are definitely worth it. Now we go here. We'll just start and take a look. If it can be resolved. Absolutely. So we have this here. Already sorted. We can simply unscrew the exhaust temperature sensor and swap it out. It is important to note that we have a tight fit here. If you were to go at it with an open-end wrench or something, it could come loose. And here with the nut, you are all around the nut of the probe and have a firm hold and don't tear it off or make even more work for yourself than actually just replacing the probe. Now you know everything about exhaust gases in our topic area regarding RepDPF and our exhaust temperature sensors. For anything else you need to know, you can find it in our online catalog or in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss another video.